my name is Nadia. I'm from England. I'm a teacher and I like gardening. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we have a special lesson for all you beginners out there. We're going to learn how to talk about ourselves in English. It's a great way to start practicing speaking and improve your confidence. So, let's get started. Before you start, you might want to look at these two vocabulary lessons on jobs and hobbies. They will help you to talk about yourself. Introducing yourself is an important skill, whether you're meeting new people or just practicing your English. Here's how you can do it. Start with a friendly greeting. For example, "Hi, my name is Nadia," or "Hello, I'm Nadia." Next, you can mention where you're from. For instance, "I'm from England," or "I'm half Italian." Share a little about what you do. You could say, "I'm a nurse," or "I work as a software engineer." Mention something you enjoy doing in your free time. "I like reading," or "I love swimming." Ask the other person a question. For example, "How about you? What do you do?" Or, "What are your hobbies?" Now I'm going to talk about myself. Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm from England. I'm a teacher and I like gardening. How about you? What do you do? Hi, my name is Jean. I'm from France. I'm a student and I like swimming. How about you? What do you do? Now it's your turn to practice. Use the comment section below to introduce yourself. Remember to include your name, where you're from, your job, and your hobbies. Feel free to ask questions. Let's get to know each other and practice our English together. Great job, everyone. You've just learned how to introduce yourself in English. Keep practicing and don't forget to interact with others in the comment section. In our next lesson, we'll continue building on these skills. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.